Hello everyone and welcome to the fourth video in programming in Python. In this video we are going to discuss about how we can print some statements or strings in Python. So we are not actually going to go into all the string operations or slicing, joining, etc. We will just focus on the printing in this video, and we will also discuss some of the problems that you might face while printing a statement. Now if you are using this Python shell, then you don't even need to use this print function. If you want to print a line, you can just use it like this. I am a Marvel fan. You just have to write whatever you want to print in this single quote, and the statement will get printed. Just hit enter and you will find it. I'm a Marvel fan. Who isn't? Oh, Marvel is so good. They have Iron Man. All right, let it be. So you can even use a double quote instead of single quote, like here I am a Marvel fan, and here we go, double quote complete, enter, and the statement will get printed. Now imagine that if you are in a developing phase, you are developing a software or you are working for a big project. In that case you cannot use this method for printing the statements. In that case you must go for this print function. Now in the print function, what happens is that you have to use these quotation marks, and inside of these things you have to write whatever you want to print. So I will just write here, we all love Emma Watson. So this is the syntax that you have to use: print, then opening bracket, then you have to close it after some time, after you put the string inside, then close it. You have to use these quotation marks at the start and at the end. And now let's just print it. You can even print this statement by using double quotes, like we all love Emma Watson, double quote complete, bracket complete, enter, and the statement will get printed. But now imagine that there is a statement like this: I ain't gonna go to college tomorrow. Now what is happening in this case is that if you press enter, there will be a syntax error. Why would it be? Now if you look closely, here there is a single quote and also here there is a single quote. So what the print function is thinking, that this part is only the part of the string and it is not really considering this part as the string. So if you want to print this statement, you can do something like this. You can use print, and as we know that we are going to use single quote in this whole statement, we will just use double quote here and we will print it like this: I ain't gonna go to college tomorrow, double quote complete, bracket complete, and enter. Now imagine that it is just in the reverse order. Maybe there is some sentence which is like, she said I hate you, and complete. So if I press enter, here also it will show error. So in this case what we can do is that we will just replace this double quote with a single quote, and this statement will get printed: she said I hate you. But now imagine, what if there is a statement like this: print, then she said I ain't coming home. Now complete. Now what is happening is that if you have a statement like this where you are using both the double quotes and single quote inside, whatever happens, even if you change this single quote to double quote, there is going to be some part of the statement which is not going to be accessible. So what you can do in this case is that whenever you find that this string is not getting accessed, you can just use a slash in front of this single quote. So if I use this slash here, this whole string will be considered. You can find this slash just right above your enter key on the keyboard, and if you hit enter, this statement will get printed. She said, I ain't coming home. Now sometimes what might happen is that you might need to print the path of a file. So imagine I'm printing a part of the file, which is like this: c slash Jayesh slash desktop slash new. I'm going to give the path of this new folder here. So new 23 code complete bracket complete, and if I hit enter, it is showing C Jayesh desktop and you. Like, I don't want you. What I want is new. So in this case, if I want this slash n to be printed, now if you have gone for C programming in C or C++, you might know that whenever you use a backslash n, it will print the content next to it in the new line. So that's what print function is doing in this case. It is printing this CJS desktop in one line, and it is printing this EWWWEU in the next line. So if we want to print the slash n, what we can do is we can just do it like this: slash Jayesh desktop, and you will have to use double slash and then print this statement, and the path will get printed. Now we saw a lot of problems. You might face this problem, but now that you know how to print these statements, you should not have any problem. In the next video, what we will discuss is string operations. We will discuss about slicing and all the operations in Python. So stay tuned, and please hit the like button if you like this video. Thank you.